Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the conversion formula of Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So we have to see here how we can convert Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So we can write Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So in this formula we can calculate the Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So you see, first what we see, the formula we can create. Suppose x is the Fahrenheit or degree of Fahrenheit. So that degree of Fahrenheit, suppose x is subtract with a number that is 32 and whole are again multiply with 5 by 9. What? 5 by 9. 5 by 9. And this give us degree Celsius into this number n, that means this number and this number. So this one is multiple with 5 by 9. So in this way we can make our own formula. So here we can write, you see here another formula I will tell you. So listen very carefully. So you can write to convert temperature degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. We have to subtract by 32 and multiply by 5 by 9. So in this way we can convert Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So one examples we will take. One example. Suppose the degree of Fahrenheit is 50 degree Fahrenheit. Suppose this much Fahrenheit is converted into degree Celsius. So how much it will become, you see. So according to this formula we can convert this, you see here. So 50 degree Fahrenheit is subtract by 32 and multiply by 5 by 9. Multiply by 5 by 9. So this give us how much, you see here. 50 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 degree Celsius we have to convert. So here we can convert 32 into 5 by 9. So this give us 10 degree Celsius. 10 degree Celsius. So you can solve here. You just see here. Suppose 50 degree Fahrenheit is minus with 32. Then we will get how much? 10 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 1 into 5 by 9 means 9 2 ja 18. So here 2 5 ja 10. So we can get 10 degree Celsius. So here this one is converted into Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. In this way we can convert various things. This one is the answer. So in this way we can calculate various numbers also by this formula. Any number you subtract with 32 and multiply with 5 by 9, then we will get the accurate conversion, that Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Now we can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit. So you see here Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit. For this what we take the formula? Very easy one. Same thing, x degree Celsius is multiplied with 1.8 and this again number is added with 32. Added with 32. Then we will get the result x degree Fahrenheit. That means that multiplication or addition of this number, then we will get the appropriate number or conversion. So you just see, you can take the examples also. Before that example we write that conversion in words. So here to convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, multiply by 1.8 and add by 32, then we can get the conversion accurately. So you just see here how can we convert. We can take one examples, then you can better understand. So you see here, suppose 30 degree Celsius is there and this degree Celsius is converted into Fahrenheit. So how can we convert? You see here, you take 30 degrees Celsius, it is multiplied with 1.8 according to our formula here, and this number is again added with 32. Added with 32, then we will get 86 degree Fahrenheit. So we see how we can solve this one. So very easy one. 30 into 1.8 plus 32. So according to the way we can found 86 degree Fahrenheit. So you see here 30 into 1.8 by 10. So 0 0 cancel, plus 32. You will get, very steps by step I am saying. You just see 3 into 18 plus 32. How much? 86 degree Fahrenheit. You see 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3 or 2 5 plus 32. How much? 86. 4 or 2 6, 5 or 3 8 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the complete answer for the conversion of degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit. So another point we are going to discuss, that one is clinical thermometers. In previous classes we have already discussed about the clinical thermometers. So one more points we can note, that in clinical thermometers the range of measuring temperature is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Keep remember 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius means in this between the clinical thermometers can measure the temperature of any body or any objects by which we can measure the temperature of any object in between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. So another point we are going to discuss about the laboratory thermometers. Laboratory thermometers. So in this laboratory thermometers we can found that the thermometers which can be used to measure the temperature of any object that is called laboratory thermometers. Keep remember it is used in laboratory. The range is the thermometers or the laboratory thermometers are used in lab or laboratory. Range is the measuring range. The measuring range is -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Keep remember -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. So in this way the laboratory thermometers are used in our lab, or we can measure the temperature of any object. So this much for today. We will discuss in our next class various points like your radiation, insulator, conductor, Celsius, land bridge and sea bridge we have to discuss. Before that you write all these points and understand, and if you getting any problems then say to me, and remember all the points and write all the points, and that formula, conversion formula is very important, so you see that one and understand, and you practice more that type of numbers you take by yourself and try to solve, then you will get the answer. Thank you.